Gentlemen, if you wake up in the morning with legs that feel like lead weights, if your feet seem cold no matter the season, if you breathe harder, climbing a simple flight of stairs, or if your once spontaneous erections have become faint, unstable, or disappeared altogether, then I urge you to listen carefully. These are not merely signs of aging. They are early and urgent warnings, biological distress signals that your circulatory system is under strain, signals from your arteries that blood flow has slowed, that vessels are narrowing, and that your body is quietly heading toward a crisis. For many men, the first sign of declining circulation isn't in the heart or brain, but in bedroom performance. That's right. Erectile dysfunction is often the body's first whisper that blood flow is faltering. And decades of vascular research confirms this. Erectile dysfunction can be an early predictor of hardening arteries, sometimes showing up years before a heart event. Before we begin, I'd like you to rate the information in this video on a scale of 1 to 10 at the end. Your feedback truly matters. It helps shape the future content of this channel. Once we understand what most of you want to learn about, we'll focus exclusively on that topic with research-based, science-backed information. Whether it's achieving stronger erections, improving blood flow by addressing clogged penile arteries, boosting low libido, or optimizing testosterone levels, your input guides everything we create. Let me know your rating and the topic you want covered next in the comments below. I'm Dr. Samra Turajilich, a specialist in vascular and metabolic health. In today's session, we're going to address this problem from the inside out, not with shortcuts, not with prescriptions that mask the symptoms, but with real science-backed strategies that target the root, blood flow. We're going to discuss why poor erectile function is often a symptom of cardiovascular decline, not just getting older. Then we'll explore 8 nutrient-rich oils that have each shown the potential to support vascular health by reducing inflammation, enhancing nitric oxide levels, and gently improving circulation. And finally, I'll walk you through how to use these oils effectively, what changes to expect, and when. Because when you understand why these tools work, you use them more powerfully. Modern medicine often implies that declining energy, intimacy issues, and poor circulation are inevitable after a certain age. But that outlook ignores what the latest cardiovascular research tells us. In many cases, your body is capable of recovering remarkable function if you eliminate the underlying causes. Imagine if there were a way to help clear stiff vessels, relax arterial walls, and nourish blood flow. Not through more medications, but with natural, time-tested nutrients. And what if some of the improvements, like warmer feet, clearer thinking, and renewed vitality, could begin in a matter of days? Let's begin. Oil 8. Extra virgin olive oil. Visualize a man in his 70s sitting on the edge of his bed at 2 a.m., massaging his aching calves that feel dense and heavy. He tries to stand, but his feet feel icy and numb. He knows what's coming next, that sense of helplessness, of waking up beside his partner and knowing he cannot respond. This is not about hormones, it's not about desire, it's about circulation. As arteries age, they can become inflamed, narrowed, and coated with plaque, reducing blood flow to everywhere, including the penis. Just like rust in an old plumbing pipe disrupts water flow, arterial plaque restricts the body's ability to transport oxygen-rich blood. This is where extra virgin olive oil becomes more than just a cooking ingredient. It becomes a therapeutic tool. Research from the American Heart Association and multiple meta-analyses confirm that consuming high polyphenol olive oil can significantly reduce oxidative stress, improve lipid profiles, and restore endothelial function. It boosts nitric oxide, the molecule that allows blood vessels to dilate and improve circulation across the body, including to the extremities and the pelvic region. Men who start integrating 1 tablespoon of olive oil a day into their diets often report improvements not just in energy and blood pressure, but in function, vitality, and confidence they had nearly given up on. Oil number 7, avocado oil. Now let's imagine another common moment, a doctor's office visit. The lab results return. There's a pause. Your LDL is high, triglycerides are elevated, and your arteries are hardening. It's a sentence no man wants to hear. What we fear most isn't just disease, it's losing independence, connection, and our sense of self. Avocado oil, nutrient-dense and packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, plays an important role in vascular healing. Clinical studies have shown that it improves the HDL to LDL ratio, reduces markers of inflammation like C-reactive protein, CRP, and supports the repair of the delicate endothelium, the inner lining of your arteries. Many men who begin cooking with or supplementing avocado oil notice their meals no longer leave them sluggish. Walking becomes easier. Feet feel warmer. It's subtle at first, but undeniable. Oil number 6, pumpkin seed oil. There's a distinct fear that some men experience late at night, the feeling of a heart pounding too hard in their chest. That thudding isn't just a nuisance, it's a danger signal. Pumpkin seed oil, rich in magnesium, zinc, and alpha-linoleic acid, has been found in peer-reviewed studies to support healthy blood pressure, reduce arterial stiffness, and improve smooth muscle function in the arteries. These minerals help vessels relax and relieve the heart's workload. Men who add this oil often describe relief from tension in the chest, from swelling in the limbs, from that sharp drop in energy that hits after dinner. Blood begins to move more easily. Pressure lessens. Function restores. Oil number 5, sesame oil. Imagine reaching down to pick up a towel in the shower and a sudden cramp bolts through your calf. You need the wall just to keep standing. These painful cramps are not normal signs of aging. They're symptoms of circulatory strain. Sesame oil contains powerful natural lignans and sesamin, which have been shown to reduce arterial inflammation, thin blood naturally, and protect the vascular system against oxidative stress. It improves nitric oxide bioavailability without pushing blood pressure too low. Regular use leads many men to report improvements in cold extremities, reduced nighttime cramps, and yes, improvements in vascular function where it matters most. Oil number 4, almond oil. One moment you're simply bending over to tie your shoes. The next, your head spins, your vision blurs, and balance slips. That lightheadedness is a fleeting glimpse into restricted blood flow to the brain. Almond oil, rich in vitamin E and unsaturated fats, can help modulate blood viscosity, essentially making blood more fluid and less likely to clot. It also reduces LDL cholesterol, one of the key contributors to atherosclerosis. Scientific reviews highlight its neuroprotective effects and ability to enhance capillary function. That's why so many who add almond oil to their routine report clearer focus, steadier moods, reduced pulse irregularity, and a welcomed return of morning vitality. Oil number 3, black seed oil. There's a moment that haunts many men, the moment you glance at your reflection and barely recognize the man staring back. The flame is gone. The confidence, the surge of energy, the intimacy, all vanished. Black seed oil, derived from Nigella sativa, is rich in thymoquinone, a compound with proven anti-inflammatory and slightly androgenic effects. Research shows it may gently raise testosterone, improve endothelial function, and reduce systemic inflammation. Its role in vascular dilation is particularly strong, helping improve erectile quality through improved penile blood flow. Breathing deepens, confidence returns, and for many, intimacy begins to feel possible again. Oil number 2, pomegranate seed oil. Sometimes, the most frightening signs come out of nowhere, a nosebleed from sky-high pressure, seemingly without cause. That's the body waving a red flag. Pomegranate seed oil is a polyphenol powerhouse. Clinical trials have shown that regular pomegranate consumption can reduce carotid artery thickness, improve nitric oxide production, and lower systolic pressure. This oil helps dissolve arterial debris and enhances insulin sensitivity, a key factor in male performance. Users often describe not just physical relief, but a brighter mood and stronger sense of vitality. Oil number 1, flaxseed oil. Then there's the emergency room visit. A man shows up with heaviness in his arm, scared it might be a stroke or clot. Thankfully, it's just a warning this time. But the question remains, will he change? Flaxseed oil, rich in the omega-3 ALA, is known to reduce arterial inflammation, lower the risk of thrombus, clots, and improve overall vascular elasticity. It naturally thins the blood, reduces platelet aggregation, and improves endothelial nitric oxide synthesis. Users consistently report a reversal of cold limbs, a softening of arterial stiffness, improved concentration, and restored function, often unexpectedly profound. A powerful combination: circulation plus nitric oxide. Now, while these oils are impressive on their own, their impact is even greater when combined with a nutrient that directly fuels nitric oxide, L-citrulline, found in abundance in watermelon extract. Your body uses citrulline to create nitric oxide, the very molecule that signals blood vessels to expand. With higher nitric oxide availability, you see better circulation, reduced pressure, and stronger performance. Look for organic watermelon extract and pair it wisely. In closing, weak erections and cold feet are not just personal issues. They are circulatory red flags. They tell us something vital. Blood flow is compromised. But by nourishing your body with these 8 oils, extra virgin olive, avocado, pumpkin seed, sesame, almond, black seed, pomegranate, and flaxseed, you can begin to reverse this trend. Start simply. Choose 1 or 2 oils. Take a tablespoon daily. Be consistent for a minimum of 8 to 12 weeks. Track changes in your legs, your energy, your intimacy. You are not powerless. You are not broken. Your blood flow and everything it supports can return. If this message brought you a new perspective, I invite you to subscribe, leave a comment, and share which oil you're starting with. I read every story, and remember, keep learning, keep growing, and above all, keep taking care of yourself.